Now come to the part how to decide what to measure. In measure phase, data collection is important, but that does not mean you measure everything. What some organizations do is measure things because they can measure them. But those are not necessarily the right thing to be measured, and resulting data does not help you to solve your problem. You probably know that choosing what to measure and how to present your data are important, but two is deciding what not to measure. You first need to review the data that you currently have and decide whether it is helping you manage your process and does this add value or waste. Now consider an example. Suppose customer CTQ is board dia offering. So if board dia is not okay, then we have to maintain relevant data to maintain the board dia. For example, grinding wheel size, grinding wheel spec, OD roundness of ring, dressing of wheel, raw material and changeover setting. So changeover setting have strong relationship with respect to board dia, because if changeover setting not okay, so all the parts will be rejected in board dia. So we have to make a checkpoint or a check sheet to record changeover setting. At the same time, we also have to measure OD roundness of the ring from the previous operation, because whatever the OD roundness of the ring, it will reflected in the board dia. Now the grinding wheel size and grinding wheel spec have weak relationship because we have assumed that other model have the same wheel and there is no problem of board dia. Now dressing of wheel have a medium relationship. So by this way, you can decide what to measure